Good evening, everyone. This is Teacher Bell, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Learn with Teacher Bell. So ngayon, I'm going to make a quick video about sa isang topic na dapat alam natin, lalo na sa mga parents, first-time parents, and also sa mga parents with kids with spectrum. Let's talk about tantrums. So, tantrums are sometimes sa mga behavior na usually you cannot even control. Wala tayong control dito. At meron itong mga triggers. Alam niyo ba, ang tantrums ay way ng mga bata on how to communicate yung kanilang feelings. So, kaya po nagkakaroon ng tantrums ang isang bata ay dahil meron siyang gustong i-express o i-communicate na bagay na hindi niya alam kung paano niya i-express. That's why nagkakaroon ng crying, ng hitting, merong screaming. Tantrums are not bad behavior. They're just big emotions that trying to find a way out. So every time your child are experiencing tantrums, huwag kang magagalit. Huwag mo sasabayan yung emosyon nila. Ang gawin mo, huminga ka ng malalim at try to find out ano ba yung gusto nilang i-communicate. Maybe na-overwhelm sila sa paligid. Pwede rin namang nagugutom na pala sila. Pwede rin naman na napo-frustrate sila kasi hindi nila ipaliwanag kung anong nararamdaman nila. Naiinitan ba sila? Napapagod na ba sila? Inaantok na ba sila? Or kailangan nilang mag-connect sa inyo. Sometimes, bilang mga bata, minsan, ang kailangan lang nila ay yakap, pansin, nating mga magulang, lalo na kapag napapadalas yung pagiging busy natin. We don't need to fix the emotions or the feelings they are experiencing right away. Sometimes, all you need to do is to give them space, to be silent, and to relax. Always remember to connect with your child's heart.